There's Officer Jim Gosselin.
Yeah.
Boy, has he gotten old too.
Okay, I want to hear you sing it.
These are the Duffy, this is the Duffy Girls song here. We are family.
Oh, there are the Duffy Girls in town.
There's the space. Tommy's just in the middle. I think the oldest goes in the back. In the back.
You clicking away with the various ones there, Dave?
Brenda, you have to sit straight.
You getting all the cameras done, Dave?
You got all my chins in there?
That is
Oh, I looked away.
okay.
Brenda.
There are children around.
Yo, Beth.
Oh my goodness, are there?
Look at all
There's
those
4.
teeth. My God.
There's
What's that
5. There's 6. Beautiful.
Over here.
Son-in-laws.
What's his 100 parents, Tim? You take the picture.
Listen to this pro here. Loosen up a little bit.
Down when he tries to get you ready if you're not
Okay, come on,
smiling.
let me see some skin, buddy. Tommy? Skin, let's go.
They've been working for hours.
Wow, you're going to hold that in the photo next time.
Lindsay, show it over here.
Show it so we can see it.
Stand over there, buddy, next to Pat.
Oh, wow.
No, without me.
How come they didn't put 40th birthday on there?
Hey, wait, Jimmy's out there.
Dad.
Oh,
Dad, supposed to dance now?
Yeah,
no, hold still, the cameraman. Oh, I see it's that. Okay.
Okay,
That's enough camera.
birthday to you. How old are you? Oh no!
That's all right, that's having enough dinner anyway.
Hey, watch out, kids.
You can't really tell me the wind's blowing out that many candles. There we go. What kids are there?
Careful, don't get too close to that cake, you guys will get burned.
Here, don't cry about that.
All right.
Here, go back to your fun.
Whoop, Liam. Tom.
Tom's up in the tree. Oh my God! Now. Okay.
He was up there.
Tom rescued their ball.
Well, he was the one who threw it up there.
Liam is savoring Beth's birthday cake. What? Oh, look at the grin too, Aunt Beth.
Shy is shy.
Whoa. Did you see it, Beth?
Nervous. Yeah. Well, what would a shy dog do? I don't know that. Not gonna argue with you. It's your birthday.
That good, huh? Tell Aunt Beth, that's great cake.
Yeah.
You checking for your approval rating there?
Oh,
Hi, pal.
got him under control.
Where are the goals? Oh, okay. I see. Oh, I see. Space.
Kickball.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, dear. No charging the game.
Go to Chris.
Tim. There you go. Tell your Uncle Mike. Yeah, well. Then that's not
You don't want to be
Uncle
doing
Mike
that.
can't help that.
Gotta give him a stop that, Jim.
Tim, Uncle Mike can't help that.
Yeah! Lindsay, way to go!
Yeah, he's okay. His dad's got him. Somebody went sliding into home and he was right there. He recovered.
Patient is correct. No one's ever attempted a double bypass brain transplant before. Now for the tricky part. Lawyers!
I don't believe that man's ever been to Venice.
Doctor, you've done it! Jimmy's all better now. She's lying.
Tim, this is Tim Monahan. We just had Aunt Bridget who was sitting next to him, give him a beautiful haircut. Can I see the back of it, Tim, please? This is the back side. How nice and neat and trim it looks. Okay, turn around slow, Tim. I got the sides. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, it looks great. It's
I'm
great.
gonna look more like Ben when
Also had his hair cut. He looks great also. Hey, Will, can you turn around now? Slowly. Up. Slow. That's it. Okay. Now the other side, please. The other side. The other side. Over there. Yeah. Turn. Beautiful. Oh, that's great, Will. Thanks, guys. You guys did good. That's what his new haircut, fellas. You three big guys get together. Get closer there, Will. Get on the other side of the... There you go. All right, these are the three big guys that just had their haircut. Well, Chris started the ball rolling. These other two big fellas wanted to have one, something like Chris's. It came out real good.
Definitely a lot bigger since... Or Nike. No, I think it's a Nike.
This
It's a Nike
is
mark.
Gregory Kyle Ketchum. No, what is
Thomas.
GT? That's a good nickname, GT.
So, now the website,
What?
probably had yesterday is today, right?
Hiya, baby.
She just wants you to know I can't hurt. That's all she wanted you to know, pal.
Oh, are Oof and Alf going to hire you? They need you to come fix their company up, honey.
You need the shorter one on that part, Bridge.
Uh-oh. Oh, geez, honey, I'm cutting hair. Grandpa's trying to give that look to Craig. I wonder if this is the good short right here. Yeah, this is short enough, I think, for a country.
Hello, Phoebe.
It'll feel better when it's hot, too.
Oh, Dave's next?
No, that's not what he came up. Did you tell him? That is cut, Grandpa.
Let me do Dave's. I can do Dave's.
I'd get a lot shorter, but my wife doesn't like this.
Oh, that's not what you told me.
What did I tell you?
Huh?
What did I tell you?
That's not what Bobby told me.
Smart thing with you.
Hey, we're gonna have to get Aunt Bridget to come back again for school, huh?
Well, that's why you better cut it shorter now.
He bought one of these things, and my
Oh, Annie's still on the telephone. I'm talking so loud.
When is she talking to Max?
Boy.
Listening.
Is he calling from his office?
He's probably listening to us.
Could be, you know. Annie, you talking to
We save all
Daddy?
our haircut money, we could afford to fly Bridget home every
That's true.
twice a year, maybe, or something, you know? There you
That's
go.
true.
And we'd all have that special